Are you tired of feeling frustrated, embarrassed, or disconnected in the bedroom? Does the fear of not being able to perform keep you from enjoying intimacy or even pursuing it altogether? You're not alone. Millions of men experience erectile dysfunction, but the truth is, ED is common, treatable, and most importantly, not your fault. I'm Dr. M, your men's health and sexual medicine physician, and today I'm breaking down the real causes of ED and how you can start overcoming it naturally and effectively. Let's get started. 1. Stress and anxiety. Stress is one of the most overlooked yet most powerful contributors to erectile dysfunction. Here's what happens. When you're stressed, your brain releases cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones help you survive immediate threats, but they also shut down non-essential systems, including your libido. Erections start in the brain. A signal travels down your spinal cord to dilate the blood vessels in your penis. But when you're anxious or stressed, that signal is interrupted. The result? Poor performance. This isn't just in your head. Stress literally rewires your nervous system, and ED is one of the consequences. 2. Poor blood flow. Healthy blood flow is everything when it comes to achieving and maintaining an erection. But several medical conditions can restrict that flow, including high blood pressure, which stiffens and narrows blood vessels; diabetes, which damages the inner lining of your arteries and slows circulation. Without proper circulation, blood can't reach the erectile tissue in the volume or pressure needed for firmness. This is why managing your cardiovascular health is essential to treating ED at the root. 3. Low testosterone. Testosterone is your drive hormone. It affects everything from desire and energy to stamina and recovery. But low testosterone doesn't just reduce libido. It actually changes the structure and responsiveness of penile tissue. Low T can result from aging, obesity, chronic stress, a sedentary lifestyle, and nutrient deficiencies. It's like trying to start a car with no gas. You can turn the key all you want, but without fuel, it's not going anywhere. 4. Smoking and alcohol. Let's talk lifestyle, because daily habits can make or break your sexual health. Smoking damages blood vessels, reducing nitric oxide, a molecule critical for relaxing penile tissue and enabling erections. Alcohol, especially when consumed regularly or in excess, can lower testosterone and dull nerve signals involved in arousal and orgasm. Chronic alcohol use can directly impair erectile performance, and long-term, it may alter hormone levels and liver function. Here's the good news. ED is highly treatable. Most men don't need a lifetime of pills. They need to address the underlying cause, whether it's stress, blood flow, hormone imbalance, or lifestyle habits. Manage stress, improve circulation, support your testosterone, and cut back on harmful habits. And most importantly, don't ignore the signs. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for weekly tips on men's health, sexual performance, and hormone optimization. And if you have a question or want me to cover a specific topic, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Remember, taking control of your health starts with understanding your body, and you don't have to figure it out alone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.